Hey guys, how's it going? This is Richie Rich here once again. I am just absolutely drooling over my impulse buy. I bought this without even thinking of. By the way, excuse the dirty garage and toilet in the corner. This is, allow me to introduce to you guys, a Bradford Space Age record player turntable, atomic, unbelievable, like crazy futuristic vintage design. I bought this, long story short, at an auction, online auction, sight unseen. I just bought it through photo examples. I didn't see it in person. It's not in perfect shape at all. There are some dents on the body and stuff. And look at these speakers with the matching pedestals. It's just so vintage, space age, futuristic. It has its fair share of dents and imperfections, but it does not really matter. Look at this. Oh my goodness, guys. This is just made in Canada. It even has the original owner's manual and schematic and warranty card. This is sold originally from Zeller's. I'm assuming this is early 70s, like really early 1970s, like 72 or something. Anyways, guys, I just want to bring you along for the ride. This is so exciting to me. This design is my all-time favorite, just futuristic, retro stuff. Ever since Sputnik in 1957, everybody was, you know, trying to imagine what the future holds, and this is one of the examples of what they thought the future would be, once we get it to space and the moon and stuff. So let's open it. This is what sold me, guys. Look at this, how it opens. The unbelievably breathtaking green bubble top. Look at inside, guys. Bradford. Holy, look, and this is glass. True metal. Like, they don't make it like they used to anymore. Oh, anyway, I got the speakers hooked up and the power cord. And literally, this is the first time I'm ever going to turn it on as well. I want to get it on camera. We're going to try and play Cafe Creme. This is my auntie's LP. It's a tribute band to the Beatles in the 70s. So we're going to literally turn it on for the first time and see what'll happen. In fact, let me actually just, you know what? I'm not even, whoops. You are more than 50 years old. I'm not even going to bother with that. So let's try it out, guys. Okay, manual. Yeah, it's still got the original needle stylus. So we're going to see how this turns on. General bass, I think it's one of the volume. Oops. So let's see what'll happen. Okay, so it's on phono. Okay. So let's see what happens if I turn on reject. I know how to turn operate these, so we'll see what'll happen. Oh my God, it's actually working. Oh my God, what's gonna happen now? It's spinning, but it's not accepting this. If I press reject. Oh, it's going up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Will it work? Oh, okay, it's playing really slowly. What speed are we on? Seems to be working, but And this speaker's not working. It's kind of funny with this speed. I think I'm on the wrong speed. Wait, okay. Good news though, it works on one side speaker. Okay, let me try this. Okay, it seems to go. Okay, and that should go down slowly. All right, so let me see what we got going here. Oh, we're on 16. That's why. Let's put it to 33. Let's try one more time, guys. And you know what? Instead of this green hue, let me take off the bubble top just for the video's sake. So, as if we're not high on methamphetamine. And we're doing this all in one take, guys. Sorry, you guys were upside down. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the bubble top. Okay, so let's try it one more time with the right speed, 33 revolutions. And let's try. Just wondering why only one speaker works too. Holy smokes, it works. There we go. That's I recognize this song now. Maybe the balance is off. Sounds good. Oh, that actually sounds good. But only one speaker works. Oh, it's just a connection. It was loose there. Oh my God, guys. Let me adjust this. I don't know where middle is on this. This sounds amazing, guys. And the light works. It sounds amazing, guys. I'll play around with the balance here, but okay. Watch this. Let's go here. Let's try this. What song is this? This. I can't believe it works perfectly. More than 60 years later. Well, 50 years. Okay, let's try the radio. So watch this. I'll do. Oh, kind of slow down there. Oh, guys, this is amazing. One take. This is exactly my reaction. Okay, let's go to AM. Wow. Scratchy. Okay, let's tune into News 1130. Sorry.
The morning hour, sunshine in the mix. Tuesday looks to be one of the nicest days.
Dial works.
Yet eligible for.
Whoa. Nice. I don't know what radio station that is, but it's picking it up. These speakers are not blown at all as well. They sound really amazing. Ah, it's the AM 1470, the Chinese channel. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, guys, I'm just fanboying over this thing. I just gotta fix this balance. I don't know which is middle. Okay, now let's try FM. Oh, look at that! The FM dial just turns on. Oh, it says FM stereo. It's right there. See? Man, look at this hip-hop radio station. Let's listen. Oh, it actually sounds good. Look at the dial, FM dial. Man, guys, it sounds like a club in here. It's so powerful, actually. Okay, guys. Well, looks like it works, and we just lost the connection again here. Yeah, it's just a connection here. There we go. Oh, guys, this is awesome. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Say it again.
But I like to spend my time enjoying.
This is awesome. Don Henley. Look at that. 21st century music playing on a 60-year-old stereo. Wow, that sounds amazing. They don't make it like they used to, man. Look at that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. This is my newly impulse bought, purchased. Let me be extremely careful with this. If I break this, I will cry. My family doesn't even know I bought this. That's why I'm in the garage. Oh, guys, this is a good buy. Everything works. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah. I'm going to have fun with this tonight. I'm going to clean her up. It looks like it's been inside a smoker's house. It's all like a yellow tinge, you know. I don't know what that stain is. Random stain. Anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. And thank you for enjoying my new Bradford Space Age turntable with FM and AM capability. I love this stuff, guys. This is more exciting than these new things. You know what I'm saying? Like going on. This is cool.